Good morning, students. In the last session, we have completed chapter 1, the living world. In this class, I am going to start the second chapter, that is biological classification. So, what is meant by classification? Classification means based on some similarities and differences, we are making into groups. That is known as classifying or making into groups, or it is known as classification. Clear? So, here first we are going to learn classification of organisms. You can see one name here, Aristotle, who was the first person to attempt the classifying organisms based on some similarities and differences. After Aristotle, Linnaeus, scientist Linnaeus, he classified all the organisms into two groups. Which are the two groups? Plantae and Animalia. All the animals comes under Animalia group, all the plants comes under Plantae group. Then after Linnaeus, third person, R.H. Whittaker, that is in 1969, he made 5 kingdom classification. What he made? 5 kingdoms based on, so he is taking whichever animals living on the world, everything, all the animals comes under all the living beings, even microorganisms, okay, even the plants, animals, humans, microorganisms, all he is taking, he put all these organisms under 5 kingdoms. So that is R.H. Whittaker. In 1969, he brought 5 kingdom classification. What was the criteria for this 5 kingdom of classification? So he has taken few things. One is complexity of cell structure. Second one is body organization. It means some animals it will be in the cellular level, some will be in which are the different levels of the organization, body organization, cell, tissues, organ system level. So we all comes under organ system level, we have organ systems. But if you are taking on amoeba, it's in a cellular level because it's only one cell, single cell organism. So that is called body organization. Second, mode of nutrition. How they are eating food. Some will eat only herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, all that. Based insectivorous. So based on that mode of nutrition. The next, nature of cell wall. It's a rigid or soft based on the cell wall. Cell wall usually you can see in the plant. Cell wall is made up of cellulose, and I'll teach you even the bacteria or some organisms also their cell it contains. It has cell wall. Then next, phylogenetic relationships. It means there are different types of organisms, but they have some evolutionary development. It means they will have some common ancestors. That is called phylogenetic relationship. It means different types of organisms, different groups of organisms, and also they are showing some evolutionary development, or even phylogenetic tree we can tell, because they will have some common ancestors. Based on all these characters, he made this 5 kingdom of classification. So what was the criteria? Complexity of cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, nature of cell wall, phylogenetic relationships. Clear? The next one is, after this, they brought 3 domain system of classification which include 6 kingdoms. So 3 domain system of classification which include how many kingdoms? Which include 6 kingdoms. So first one is the domains Archaea. It means kingdom, this Archaea which include kingdom Archaebacteria. Second, bacteria, it include kingdom Eubacteria. Eu means true bacteria. Clear? The bacteria which contains kingdom Eubacteria. So you can see the 2 kingdoms. Kingdom Archaebacteria, kingdom Eubacteria. Second thing is, this group, it includes all the prokaryotic organisms. You know what is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic? Pro means the smaller classes you studied in 8th standard also. Prokaryotic, without nuclear membrane. Clear? Eukaryotic means, here you can see eukaryotic. Eukaryotic means, Eu means true karyon, true nucleus. It means nucleus with nuclear membrane. Prokaryotic means, here you can see prokaryotic, nucleus without nuclear membrane. Nucleus is present but there is no nuclear membrane. So all these prokaryotic organisms comes under these 2 kingdoms, kingdom Archaebacteria and kingdom Eubacteria. Clear? Then here, second domain. So here I told 2 kingdoms. Next domain here, all eukaryotic organisms comes under in this domain. All eukaryotic means nucleus organisms, they have well defined nucleus or nucleus with nuclear membrane. Here under this there are 4 kingdoms are coming: kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and kingdom Animalia. So total how many kingdoms? So here you can see 4 kingdoms, here there are 2 kingdoms. So 4 plus 2, 6 kingdoms. That is called 6 kingdom classification. So there are 3 domain system of classification. It has 6 kingdoms. One is kingdom Archaebacteria, second kingdom Eubacteria. It includes all prokaryotic organisms. Next domain, it includes all eukaryotic organisms. Comes under this. There are 4 kingdoms: kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and kingdom Animalia. So that is the introduction for this classification of organisms. So first who attempted? Aristotle. After Aristotle, Linnaeus. He made 2 kingdoms, Plantae and Animalia. He made 2 kingdoms, yes, Plantae and Animalia. Next, R.S. Whittaker. It is in 1969. He made 5 kingdom classification based on all these criteria: complexity of cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, the nature of cell wall, phylogenetic relationships. Then again, 3 domain system of classification came. It has 6 kingdoms. So one domain is Archaea, kingdom Archaebacteria, second bacteria, kingdom Eubacteria. Again, which include all prokaryotic organisms. Second domain, all eukaryotic organisms. Under this, there are 4 kingdoms: Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Clear, children?